both happen together at the same time.
Okay, but you can't change the program to maybe just make it rotate and not oscillate, or.
I mean, you could do that, but I just programmed it to do both things at once.
Okay. All right, and then so one thing that's obvious over here is, there are two things that come into play over here, right? Like we did with our Lego Mindstorms.
Yeah.
There is hardware engineering,
Mm-hmm.
which is building the pendulum.
Yeah.
And building it right. And then there's the software engineering part of it, which is writing the code. And they both have to come together and work together correctly. Only then this final product is going to work the way it's supposed to work.
So yeah, it's kind of the same thing as Lego, except you're using completely different materials and you're not using instructions.
That's correct. So here you're doing it on your own, but of course with the mentor's help here. Okay, good deal. Any questions?
All right, let's give a round of applause.
Good job.